be doing a quick demonstration on how easy it is to use the AffiEmbed plugin to add products to your WordPress post and pages. This plugin takes advantage of the new WordPress Gutenberg editor to help you quickly embed affiliate products to your pages and blog posts fast. Watch as I quickly fetch products from top 5 marketplaces like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, Best Buy, and Walmart and embed them on my WordPress pages and blog posts. I will click Add a new page, and our first import will be done from aliexpress.com. And I will title this AliExpress product. The AffiEmbed plugin comes with a free Google Chrome extension to make your import process a breeze. While on any of the 5 marketplaces, you can use the extension to fetch the product IDs or SKU. Say I want products from men's fashion, then t-shirts. Here's the extension that will be helping with the product ID import, and I can pull all products from this page by clicking on Run. You can also do the same for other marketplaces. Boom! We have been able to successfully fetch 40 product IDs. Also, if I want to fetch products from another category, say women's fashion, hoodies and sweatshirts, and I want these products also, all I need to do is click on Run. Now, I have 56 products. If I also want more, I'll scroll down and click on Run again. The further down I scroll, the more products I can fetch. And I can download this as a CSV file, or I can click to copy to clipboard, and if I want to fetch another batch of products, I can reset the Chrome extension. So, I have just successfully copied the 92 products to embed. As I said earlier, AffiEmbed works best with the new WordPress Gutenberg editor. It automatically adds these marketplaces as a block for you. Once you click on the block plus icon, you will be able to see all the marketplaces we support. Since we are demoing for AliExpress, I will go ahead and click on AliExpress and right-click to paste the code IDs we got earlier from the AliExpress website. I will click on Search Products to embed these products into our page. This takes just a few seconds to embed. What I will do next is to quickly edit the block to my choice styling. Here are the editable block contents that were automatically added for us. As you already know, with this plugin, you don't need an API key. As for AliExpress, all you need is your affiliate deep link that can be got for free from admitad.com. Here is my admitad deep link for AliExpress. I'll copy that. Also, you can edit virtually everything you see here, like the Buy Now button, which is this. You can always change it to whatever you want. And the product load you can have is as static or dynamic. So when someone refreshes the page, it changes dynamically. You can also set the number of products you want per column. We can also set the number of products we want per page. Say we want 16 products to load per page. And we can also change the pagination size, as you can see here. We can enable any of our choice social icons so that our visitors can share the products. I can format the typography of the products, title, price, review, sizes, make them larger or smaller, however I deem fit. This actual view you see here will be way different when on the front end of the page. The product title, price, review, and button colors can also be changed, along with the button hover and the pagination color. Let's publish this to see how it actually looks. Okay, there are the products we just fetched from AliExpress, and we were able to successfully embed them to our WordPress page. And when any of these affiliate products get clicked on any purchase made, we get a commission for the referred sales. When I click on any of these products now, it will take me straight to AliExpress. Also, we can do the same embed for other marketplaces. Let me embed products on another page quickly. Let's title this Amazon Germany, since we'll try to fetch products from Amazon.de. What makes this plugin outstanding is that it supports 99% of Amazon product countries. I will click on the block plus icon, and I will locate Amazon AffiEmbed block. As you can see, we have Amazon US, Amazon United Kingdom, Deutschland, that's for Germany, France, Japan, India, Italy, Mexico, and others. While on Amazon.de, which is Amazon Germany, I will also try to fetch products using our Chrome extension. Yes, I think we can fetch IDs from here. So all I need to do is click on the extension again, just like I did earlier, and then click on Run. Let me see if I can also get products from another category. From the bestsellers list, let's try to get products from this list also. Now you see, we have 67 products to embed on our WordPress page. I'll just click to copy again. You can see how easy and fast it is to use. I will now paste and select the marketplace we got the IDs from and click on Search Products. The products we are fetching will be on the actual country's currency and language. Here are the products. One unique thing about this plugin is that you don't need any product advertising API from Amazon or any of our supported marketplaces. For the case of Amazon, all you need is just your affiliate ID, which is 100% free. No need to wait forever for API or until you get 3 referred sales. Yes, you can say goodbye to APIs. You don't need them here. Also, you can check to have the products automatically get added to the cart. This increases your affiliate cookies to 90 days. We can also change the load style, the number of products per column, and other settings just like we did earlier. I will quickly publish this so you can see how it also redirects and adds the product to the cart. These are the Amazon products. You can attest to how easy it is to embed them. When clicked, the product gets added to the cart and my affiliate ID is visible on the redirect Amazon page. We can also apply the same to eBay, and it supports all eBay marketplaces and countries. While on the same page where we embed Amazon products, we can also embed products from other marketplaces. Say we want to add products from eBay, Walmart, Best Buy, we can. On eBay, we support several eBay countries. Say I want to embed products from eBay France. All I need to do is get their product IDs. Say I want these products as you can see them here. I will click on Run, like before, and copy them to the clipboard. And just like the other marketplaces, you don't need an eBay API. All you need is your eBay affiliate campaign ID. Paste your campaign ID and format the settings to what fits and click to publish. You are not limited in any way. You can import as many products as you want. Here are the eBay products, and you can see the language and currency in euro. As for Walmart and Best Buy, you can get your deep link from impact.com. There is absolutely no restriction, and it's 100% free to join. Also, in the members area, you'll be getting a well-detailed guide on how to get these deep links fast for free. I am just loving this plugin on how easy and simple it is to use. Any newbie can actually install and start using this in minutes. Let me do another product post. Do you know that as a blogger, you can blog about any product, add products anywhere on your blog posts? We can add products anywhere, not just on WordPress pages, but on any blogs or posts as well. Say I want to embed Walmart products on my posts. All I have to do is go to walmart.com, locate my choice product categories, use the extension again to fetch my IDs. If I want products on the next page, I click on Run. The extension goes to work and fetches all products on page 2. And without clicking the third page, I can also hit Run and fetch the products therein. You can do this as many times as you want and click Copy. As you can witness, all 120 products have been embedded into my post in no time. And the beauty of it all is that no single image was added to my web host server. Again, I need to add my Walmart affiliate deep link URL, and I can edit how I want my post to look. I'll give it a title and publish. Notice this was published as post. It can also get embedded on pages and WooCommerce shop pages. These are the over 100 products fetched from Walmart. And once I click on any of the products, it redirects me to the Walmart product page, where if the product gets purchased, I get a commission since my Walmart Impact affiliate ID is visible on the link. Here is my Impact ID, 1924. And let's verify that on the WordPress dashboard. 1924. All right, guys, do take advantage of this embed plugin, and this is indeed a great affiliate marketing booster. See you inside the members area.